What if you could reduce the time taken to travel halfway across the globe from over 40 hours to less than an hour? What would happen if you try to dig a hole through the earth and jump through? Would you fall through to the other side? And if you can reach the other side, how long will it take you? Can such a thing really be done? And what is the deepest humans have ever dug? This is Hypothetical Experiments, and here is what would happen if you try to dig a hole through the earth and jump through. First, let us imagine there is such a tunnel that slides through the earth. The tunnel should be a vacuum, or friction in form of air resistance would slow you down, and air pressure near the center will crush you. Secondly, you need a vehicle or a suit that will protect you against intense heat from the core and will supply you with oxygen. With all that done, you are ready to jump into the hole. As you jump in, you will start accelerating towards the center of the earth. You will accelerate until you are falling at speeds of 25,000 miles per hour. Assuming the force of gravity throughout the hole is constant, then it will take you about 19 minutes to reach the center. As you are falling, you would feel completely weightless like an astronaut in space. But this wouldn't last long. As you pass the center, you will start to slow down as gravity will start pulling you back to the center. But your momentum would continue propelling you upwards against gravity. At the beginning you were falling, but now you are climbing. You would continue to climb until you reach the other side and just out of the hole, and then you will stop and fall back in. From jump time to reaching the other side will take you about 38 to 40 minutes. If there is nothing to stop you or nothing to hold on to, then you would fall back in and the process starts all over again. That is how you keep going up and down forever and ever, since there is nothing to stop you or dissipate your energy. Now, can such a hole really be dug? So far, human digging has only made it 0.1% of the way through. In the 1970s and 80s, the Soviets attempted to drill as deep as they could. They made it to only 40,000 feet before temperatures became too hot and wreaked havoc on their equipment. So, a tunnel that slides through the earth cannot be dug, at least with current human technology. The earth's interior is composed of 4 layers. The outer crust, which is about 30 miles deep. And then the mantle. It is a layer of silicate rock between the crust and the outer core. It is about 1,795 miles through and consists 84% of our planet's volume. After digging through all that, then you will reach the Earth's outer core. This is a fluid layer about 1,367 miles thick. It is composed mostly of iron and nickel. Temperatures here will range between 4,400 and 5,160 degrees Celsius. After passing the Earth's outer core, then you will reach the last layer, which is the Earth's inner core. This is primarily a solid ball with a radius of about 760 miles. It is believed to be composed of iron-nickel alloy and some other elements. It is solid because the pressure from 3,218 miles below the Earth is so great that it prevents it from melting. Here, the temperature would be about 5,200 degrees Celsius. As you reach the middle of this layer, which would be the center of the Earth, you would be rendered completely weightless. This is because gravity pulls the same direction everywhere on Earth. It pulls everything towards the center of the Earth and also equalizes in the center. So, anything exactly in the center would not be pulled to a particular direction, so would basically be weightless. After passing the center, the process of digging starts all over again. You would have to dig through all you have dug before. This time, you would have gravity against you. It will be pulling you backwards towards the center, so you would have to dig and climb. After surfacing, assuming you don't surface in the ocean, you have successfully dug a hole through the earth, but the hole would be closed back, so you still won't be able to jump through. After all that, now you see such a thing is not possible. Thanks for watching. Please make sure to subscribe to this channel and click on the notification bell if you haven't, so you will always be updated when we upload a new video. If you enjoyed the video, then give it a like and share it with a friend. Thanks for watching and see you in another video.